been 35 years I was here. Look at that. It's completely dried up here. So where does it begin? Look at that. There used to be frogs here and other animals, but I don't see any now. And so I went back a couple of days later. It was very hot, extremely hot, and it rained a lot. Every plant has grown so hard this week. It will be difficult to get there, but I will manage. It has been extremely hot a few days. Everything has grown, but you can see it also at the pond. It's very, very, very ugly. Should I clean this? It's not mine. Used to be such a good pond. Damn. It's all rotten. Phew. What do you guys think? Should I clean it? But this didn't stop me from doing what I wanted. So let's see what's in there. Ooh, there's life. Ooh, so there's something large in it. Oh, what's that? What it is. What? Wait. Allez. Look. There's life in it. Where is it? I don't see when I'm filming. Nice. What's that? Oh, there you have it. What is that? What's that? What is that? So this is how nature spreads itself.